Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, we will start to study with economic subject in 11th standard. Chapter 5, Cost of Production and Concept of Revenue. If production is increased, the cost of production also increases with the increase or decrease of 1 unit in total production. Whatever change take place in total cost is known as marginal cost. Marginal cost is the change in total cost when an additional unit of output is produced. Formula of marginal cost N is equal total cost N minus total cost N minus 1. In formula, N means number of units. Marginal cost N is equal marginal cost of N units of output. Total cost N means total cost of N units of output. Total cost N minus 1 means total cost of N minus 1 units of output. We will understand the marginal cost with table and diagram. As shown in table, output units 1, total cost in rupees 9, marginal cost also in rupees 9. In next row, units 2, total cost 16, and previous total cost 9. 16 minus 9 is equal 7, means marginal cost 7 rupees. Next row, 3 unit, total cost 21 and previous total cost in rupees 16. So, marginal cost 21 minus 16, 5 rupees. Next row, 4 units, total cost rupees 28. 28 minus previous total cost 21 means 28 minus 21, 7 rupees marginal cost. Next, 5 unit, total cost of 40. 40 minus previous total cost 28 means marginal cost 12. And next, 6 unit, increase 1 unit. 6 units, total cost rupees 54 and previous total cost when unit 5, previous total cost 40 means 54 minus 40 is equal 14 rupees marginal cost. And next row, 7 units, 1 unit added, 7 unit, total cost 70 rupees and previous total cost 54 means 70 minus 54 is equal 16 rupees marginal cost. As shown in the diagram of marginal cost, in the beginning marginal cost decreases as total average cost decreases initially, but after some time there is increase, but initially with the increase in production total variable cost increases at decreasing rate, and after point increases at increasing rate. Due to that, initially with the increase in production, marginal cost decreases and after some points it increases. In the diagram, marginal cost curve is like hockey stick till the third end. Marginal cost is decreasing, so marginal cost curve has negative slope. After the third unit, with the increase in production, marginal cost increases. Therefore, marginal cost curve has positive slope. Interrelationship between average cost and marginal cost. As shown in the table, output, production units, total cost, average cost and marginal cost. Production unit 1, when production unit 1 total cost rupees 20 and average cost also rupees 20 and marginal cost 0, because not increase or decrease in production cost. When production unit 2 total cost 35 rupees, average cost 17.35, total cost divided by production unit means 35 divided by 2 is equal 17.5 rupees average cost and marginal cost 15 rupees. When production unit increase 1 plus 1, 2, then marginal cost 15 rupees means total cost 35 minus previous total cost. When unit 1 previous total cost 20 means 35 minus 20 is equal 15 rupees marginal cost. When production unit 3 total cost 45, average cost 15, total cost divided by units means 45 divided by 3 is equal 15 rupees average cost and marginal cost 10 means 45 minus previous total cost, recent total cost 45 minus previous total cost 35 is equal 10 rupees marginal cost. When production unit 4 total cost 60, average cost 15, 60 divided by 4 and marginal cost 15 rupees. 60 minus previous total cost 45. When production unit 5 total cost 85 and average cost 17 means total cost divided by production unit 85 divided by 5, it means 17 rupees average cost and marginal cost 25. Recent total cost 85 minus previous total cost 60 is equal 25. When production unit 6 total cost 115, average cost 19.2 and marginal cost 30. Then last production unit 7 total cost 150, average cost 21.5, total cost 150 divided by 7 total cost divided by production unit means 150 divided by 7 is equal 21.5 rupees average cost and marginal cost 35. It means total cost, recent total cost minus previous total cost is equal 35. 150 minus 115 is equal 35 rupees marginal cost. In diagram on x-axis production units and y-axis the average cost and the marginal cost are shown. Relation between average cost and marginal cost is also shown in diagram. Initially marginal cost less than average cost. Average cost decreases, then marginal cost also decreases. But marginal cost decreases more rapidly than the average cost. That's why when marginal cost curve is decreasing, it remains below the average cost curve. Then next stage, marginal cost is equal average cost. When average cost is minimum at that time, marginal cost curve intersect to the average cost curve from below and the marginal cost and average cost become equal. Then marginal cost greater than average cost. When marginal cost curve intersect the average cost curve, then both costs start to increase. After this point, increase in marginal cost is rapidly than the increase in average cost. Therefore, marginal cost curve above than average cost curve. Next topic, concept of revenue. When total revenue of a firm is higher than its total cost, profits occur. And if total revenue is lower than total cost, losses occurs. Total revenue. Money received by firm by selling of produced units. It is called revenue. Total income received by firm from selling is called total revenue. This income is known as total revenue or sale revenue. Firm's total income is based on two things. First, price per unit and second, total sale. In formula, total revenue is equal units sold multiplied by price of commodity. TR is equal Q multiplied by P. For example, 100 units sold multiplied by price rupees 50 is equal 5,000 rupees total revenue. Average revenue. Average revenue of a firm by dividing total revenue to sell units. AR is equal TR divided by Q. AR means average revenue, TR means total revenue, Q means quantity sold. For example, one firm has sold 1000 units of pen and total revenue is rupees 50,000. according to formula 50,000 divided by 1,000 is equal rupees 50 is average revenue. It means revenue per unit of pen. Marginal revenue. The income from per unit sale is average revenue of firm, whereas marginal revenue is revenue from the sale of one additional unit. So the marginal revenue is the change in total revenue which results from the sale of one more unit of commodity. In formula, marginal revenue N is equal revenue N minus revenue N minus 1. MR means marginal revenue, N means number of sold unit, RN means revenue from the sale of nth units commodity. Rn minus 1 is equal nth minus 1 revenue from sale of unit. For example, when 1000 pen is sold at the price of rupees 50 and total revenue is rupees 50,000. Now, if 1001 unit increase, 1001 unit of pen is sold, then total revenue is rupees 50,045 as per the formula. Means 45 rupees is marginal revenue.